Welcome to Free Job Camp. In the earlier episode, we have seen two job categories which we will be covering and different types of roles in coding category and non-coding category. In today's episode, we will be covering a brief roadmap on how to get your first software job in 100 days. So let's get started. So the first step is to pick your course, whether you want to go into coding category or non-coding category. There are specific roles in each category and you have to decide which role suits best for you, and you have to pick that particular role. Once you pick that, we will be sharing a good online course belonging to that role. So you have to complete the course. That is the second step. Once you complete the course, we will also be sharing a list of 5 to 10 projects. Out of that, you can pick any 3 projects and you have to complete those 3 projects. Once you complete the projects, you also have to write one article on each of the projects you have worked on. After that, we have to prepare the resume, apply for multiple companies, attend for interviews, and then land on a job. This is the brief roadmap which we have planned, and I have also prepared a quick draft on front-end developer course. Here I have listed a few topics, and I have also put a rough estimate on how much time it will take. Currently it is showing almost 67 days for all the topics. If you are learning at a faster rate, you should be able to complete it much faster than whatever is mentioned here. And if you are learning bit slow, it might take you few more extra days, and that is totally fine. So I am planning to cover 5 roles in the coming sessions: front-end developer role, back-end developer role, QA engineer, DevOps, and then ERP consultant. These are the 5 courses which I am planning to do, and in the coming sessions we'll be starting with the front-end developer course. So stay tuned. If you have any doubts, or if you want to ask something, you can post a comment on this video, or you can ping us on Telegram, Reddit, or any other platform.